How to withdraw on Webull application. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you'd like to withdraw on Webull, these are the methods you can follow up for that. Open up the Webull application for that, and once you do so, you can access your menu. Usually in the bottom right corner you can find it, tap on it, and from there your menu opens up. Now within here what we need to do is basically find the transfer section. So find it up and tap on it, and you should be finding this invest section. You can scroll and look out for these options, and once you find it up, basically tap on the withdraw option and choose your currency. So you can select up your currency and tap on withdraw. After that, you can choose up a withdrawal method. So make sure to field shows your linked external bank account. You might need to add it if it's not there, and input the amount that you wish to withdraw. And here you need to withdraw, enter it up. So once you enter it up, what you may do is tap on this option called submit. And once it is done, you may confirm it up. So you'll be finding the withdrawal details. You can review it and submit it. So you can look out for the review, and once it is done, you can tap on this confirm option and submit your withdrawal request and confirm the details. And you will likely need to receive a code or a login with your password for verification, and the funds typically arrive in your bank within 3 to 4 business days after the submission. So you can just go over and do so, and you can only withdraw settled cash, funds from the recent sales, and need to clear out before they appear as available, and your bank must be verified with Webull. And that's it. So that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up to do so. So we hope this video was helpful, and sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.